Hi, my name is Yusuf. I'm from grade 6B. Our presentation is about climate change and global warming. Global warming is very dangerous for people and animals. And here we have the table of content. First, we have Sava. She will talk about what is global warming and climate change. Then we have Mateen. He will talk about what factors affect the climate. Then we have also Mateen will talk about how are greenhouse gases essential for our climate. Then we have Maya. She will talk about effects of greenhouse on planets. Then we have Rassan. He will talk about altering contents of greenhouse gas. Then we have Vina. She will talk about naturally occurring greenhouse gases. Then finally we have Leah. She'll talk about what can be done to stop climate change.
I will explain what is global warming and climate change. Global warming is the long-term rise in the average temperature of the Earth's climate. It is a major aspect of climate change. Let's make a difference between global warming and climate change. Global warming is the mainly human-caused increase in global surface temperatures, while climate change includes both global warming and its effects, such as change in precipitation.
Climate is affected by many factors, like abiotic factors and biotic factors. First, I will talk about abiotic factors. Abiotic factors are latitude, altitude, ocean currents, topography, solar radiation, evaporation, and volcanic activity. Then I will talk about biotic factors. Biotic factors are transpiration, respiration, photosynthesis, decomposition, and digestion. Greenhouse gases are essential to our climate. Greenhouse gases keep our planet livable by holding onto some of Earth's heat energy so that it doesn't escape into space. This heat trapping is known as the greenhouse effect.
Just like what Mateen said, greenhouse is essential to our climate. Plants with very little greenhouse effect are either very cold. Pluto's average temperature is 370 Fahrenheit, or they have huge temperature swings from day to night. Then on Mars, there's about a 300-degree Fahrenheit difference between high and low temperature. Planets with abundant greenhouse gases are very hot. The average temperature on Venus is about 855 Fahrenheit. And then there's Earth, which is just right for the moment anyway.
With no greenhouse gases at all in its atmosphere, scientists estimate that Earth's average atmospheric temperature would be about minus 18 degrees Celsius or about 0 degrees Fahrenheit. The, the greenhouse gas content of the atmosphere is being altered by human activity. The result of this change is global warming.
A number of greenhouse gases occur naturally in the Earth's atmosphere, such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. Glaciers are melting away worldwide like living organisms. Carbon dioxide in Earth's atmosphere has risen by about 30% since the beginning of the Industrial Revolution. Most of the increase is due to the combustion of fossil fuels, which releases the long-stored carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere. Methane is released by coal mining, landfills, and by agriculture, particularly through the digestive process of beef and milk cows. nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide is produced by cars, by fossil fuels used for heat and electricity, and by agriculture.
What can be done in the climate? First, we must admit that climate change is everyone's problem. No agency, government, or scientist can fix it for us. We are all in this together. We got here because of our lifestyle, so our lifestyle has to change. Here's what you can do. Heating and cooling. Install programmable thermostats. Check and repair weather stripping on doors and windows. Adjust your clothing instead of the thermostat. Keep furnace and AC filters clean. Consider closing off unused rooms. Install insulated drapes. Plant deciduous trees on the sunny side of your home. What other ways can you conserve heat and AC?
Thank you so much, guys. Well done. I'll try to join them.